Hi, 6th graders. This is Miss Kime. For the past few days, we have been learning about the Holocaust in preparation for reading the play, The Diary of Anne Frank. Today, before reading and acting out the play, we are going to be learning more about Anne Frank and the other people hiding in the secret annex with her. You will visit different websites, learn about her family members and family friends who were hiding with her for over 2 years, as well as the important people who helped them to survive during that time in a station activity. Now let's take a look at how to go about submitting and sharing this assignment. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to go about completing the Anne Frank Stations activity. So once you've logged into Schoology and you're on our ELA course page, scroll down to the red Anne Frank folder and click on it. In that folder at the very bottom, you'll see the Anne Frank Stations activity. And when you click on this, it'll give you the steps to follow in order to complete it successfully. So step 1 is to make a copy of the Google Doc that you'll be recording your answers on. So when you click on the link right there, it's going to automatically prompt you to make that copy. Then I'm going to push this over here so you can see what it looks like together. Okay, step 2 is going to be to rename this. So once you have the Google Doc pulled up, okay, I want you to rename it with your last name, Kime_class period 1_2020, and then click off it because your title will save automatically then. Step 3 is going to be to simply complete the different stations. Okay, the directions are also listed on that Google Doc. Once you have finished, I want you to share it with me, okay? So step 1 is up in the upper right-hand corner of the Google Doc. You'll see a blue share button. When you click on that, at the bottom right there, it'll say Get Link, okay? So you want to click on this blue change right here, and you want to make sure that you have this set that anyone with a link can view it, not restricted, okay? Then, where it says Share with People in Groups, you want to type in my email, so mkime@ovsdpa.org. And then once you have that, you're going to click the blue Done button, and then I can successfully see your responses to the stations. The only materials that you will need for this assignment are headphones and your MacBook Pro. You will first log on to our ELA homepage on Schoology and click on the red Anne Frank folder. The assignment in there will be titled Anne Frank Stations Activity. Once you've clicked on the link, you will then be prompted to make a copy of the Google Doc that you will record your answers on. The directions for each station are outlined on the Google Doc, along with hyperlinks taking you to the websites where you will find information and videos for each station. At Station 1, you will look at a diary entry of Anne's. You will compare and contrast her original diary entry to the same entry that she revised during hiding and added more details to. At Station 2, you will listen to multiple Holocaust survivor testimonies and respond to a journal prompt. At Station 3, you will research Miep Gies and what her role was in the Franks' hiding place. And finally, at Station 4, you will take a virtual tour of the secret annex, the place where the Frank family hid for 2 years. Once you are finished, you will share this Google Doc with me. Before you begin, let's review the stations. Today you will learn more about Anne Frank and where her and her family hid for 2 years. At Station 1, your objective is to compare and contrast Anne's original journal writing to her revised journal. At Station 2, your objective is to listen to different testimonies of people whose lives were altered by the Holocaust. At Station 3, your objective is to learn more about Miep Gies and why she was so important. At Station 4, your objective is to take a virtual tour of the secret annex that Anne and her family hid in. If you're in periods 1-4, click here, and if you're in periods 2-3, click here. This is where you'll record your responses. Good luck! What you learned today will help you better understand the context of the play we are about to read and act out. To review, this assignment will help you to better understand the horrific treatment that the Franks and company were hiding from. You will have a better understanding of how hiding in one place without leaving for 2 years was even possible, as well as what the inside of the secret annex looked like. What you learned about today will help you understand the context of the play we are about to read.